So it was my first dose today, and actually I've been waiting because I was trapped in the UK for some time. So I've been waiting for some time to get the vaccine. But to me, it's a no-brainer. I mean, for personal protection and for the community.
其實5月18號嗰日我係開緊 governing board， 所以冇辦法入嚟打針啫。其實我都好想當日已經打㗎啦。
Well, I've just had the injection. I must say it was absolutely painless. I didn't feel a thing.
好舒服啊，冇嘢啊，都唔知有冇打到。
That it's important for not only for ourselves but for our community.
其實都希望係安全同埋係健康啦，保護大家啦。咁呢個都係即係希望香港可以快啲康復啦。
Kelly 今日嚟打第幾針啊？
今次打第2針啦。
第2針啊？你覺得點啊？打完之後？
冇乜感覺啊，佢都冇話唔舒服啊，或者係不適啊咁樣。
我咩驅使嚟我打第2針？我諗主要都係因為即係公司有一個好方便嘅安排啦。咁令到我哋都唔需要去自己去 book 啊，亦都去揾一啲即係其他出邊嘅一啲機構。咁我哋就可以好方便喺工作嘅時間，我哋都可以嚟打針。咁就亦都幫我哋即係處理晒所有嘅安排。咁今日同時間即係公司亦都俾我哋有一個呢個 half day off 啦，即係打完針之後，咁跟住亦都好照顧到同埋好關懷我哋嘅同事啦。咁接住落嚟亦都我哋會有個長假期啦，咁我哋都可以係即係喺嗰個長假期入邊可以有個休息啦。咁公司安排呢個時間亦都非常之好嘅。
嚟緊第2針係喺7月2號嘅時候會有得打啊嘛，亦都係喺公司度打。咁到時希望我太太亦都一齊嚟同我打啦。
你覺得其實咧點樣可以咧係更加鼓勵多啲嘅同事可以參加呢個係喺公司打疫苗嘅安排咧？
我諗最主要都係大家即係首先就係更好方便大家咁樣嚟俾一個好容易咁樣嘅方式，大家可以做啦。同埋就係我哋身邊而家每日都要戴住口罩咁樣同同事傾偈啊、食飯都唔係好方便咁，但係身為社會一份子，我諗我哋都係想希望呢個疫情盡快嘅可以完結咁樣，我哋可以回復正常。咁 as part of the citizen， 我哋都要做啲努力，大家打疫苗咧。
好開心，我哋已經完成咗咧2次嘅疫苗嘅注射。由於我哋係第一間參與嘅商業機構，咁所以咧每一步咧我哋都係好仔細同政府去商量嘅。咁多謝政府咧喺後邊咧好大力嘅支持，讓我哋咧係可以喺業界當中、喺社會當中咧能夠去推動更多嘅公司去參與。咁我哋都睇到咧有好多嘅公司佢哋成功咁樣邁向咗第一步，同我哋一齊咧去支持個疫苗嘅接種計劃。我哋覺得好榮幸咧能夠成為到業界當中嘅 role model。
Following our first successful on-site vaccination on May 18th, where over 170 Deloitters safely received their vaccines, we are proud to host our second on-site vaccination at our office on June 11th. And I'm delighted to see close to 300 talents sign up for this on-site vaccination. As a pioneer of Hong Kong Government's outreach COVID-19 vaccination program and a role model of other companies, we are glad to see an increase in the number of companies participating in this meaningful initiative. As a people-first company, we always place the safety and health of our people first. Therefore, we will continue to do our best to protect our people and to do our part to support the restoration of the safety of our community. Let's all team up to revive the economy and return to normal as soon as possible.